In this guide, we will create a submission link with FillFaster and make.com. First, we choose the FillFaster app. Then we choose Create a Submission Link. And now we can have all the forms and templates that's in our account. Let's choose the right form. Then we get all the fields that we've set up in the form. Let's assume we already have the data in the scenario. So when we want to map the data, it will all be here. We got the name, email, and phone. Apartment, for example, we don't have here, so it'll be blank. So we just set it manually for now. Let's say apartment 1. City and state we can leave empty, which means the recipient will be able to edit it and add the data as required. Second, we have user data, internal, and this will not be visible to the recipient and it will be returned in the webhook, which means you can set any variables that came from your CRM or something you want to match into your records, and to continue the automations afterwards. Let's add an example. This is open. You can add anything you want. So CRM user ID, and we will add something for this. For example, you can add email and we can add multiple values. Then we save. Let's see how it works. Okay, so we got the link. Let's see. With this link, you can send it via any channel you already have with your recipients. And let's see how it looks with all the data. We'll open the link. Okay, so this is the link that the recipient gets. We can see all the dynamic data here. And when they click sign, you can see all the data and as well change the data depending on your preference, and also add the data you don't have. Then of course add signature and continue.